It's pretty fun. You get to do a bunch of cool activities. You get to weld stuff. You get to learn how to build stuff. It's very fun.
I really like it because there's so much stuff that you really don't know about that you see out here.
You could do CPR and they teach you about what different types of doctors or surgeons you can be. Then after that they give you like a little guide to tell you what you can change or how you can save a life.
Wanted to see what it is, hopefully take this model, help where we can to maybe make this better, bring this to communities across the state so all the kids in Montana can see these experiences.
It's really fun. I really like it because I get to have hands-on experience with careers and different things. And it's really fun because also it's like you get to do it with your friends and just have a bunch of activities.
It was very interesting. It was inspiring, and other people tried it, and it was just cool to see that other people were doing it as well.
It's a lot of fun. There's lots of stuff to do. A lot of people. We got to do CPR. That was pretty fun.
It's cool. I've seen a lot of interesting things.
I think it's really interesting, and it's a great opportunities to learn about different career fields that you may be interested in, to actually get more information and dig more deeper, and you're able to experience what they actually do in their profession.
Learned a lot of stuff about programming, 3D, stuff like that. A whole bunch of welding as well. Made this as a welding project over in a group of ours, and it's pretty fun.
I'll probably be a police officer because my dad works with law enforcement, so I'll probably just try that out first.
One time someone takes a gallbladder out, so that was interesting, and I got candy out of it, so candy's obviously amazing.